Hey guys, this is deliciousVB with another tutorial. This tutorial is the 5th tutorial in the series titled the Beginner Series for Beginners. Self-explanatory. So yeah, this is where I left off last tutorial. I was talking about appending text and all that stuff. But this tutorial will be on if, then, and else. Pretty self-explanatory also. Now, I said self-explanatory because if, then, and else is pretty simple to get the concept of. You might not know exactly how to use it, but it's simple to get the concept of what it does. If something's text equals this text, which is often a string constant, or that text, which is often a not a constant like text box 1's text, then do something. So execute a piece of code once again. Then under then it does that only if it equals that. And then under that you can say else. You don't have to, but you can say else. So if it doesn't equal that, you can say do whatever. You can tell the program to do whatever you want, So anyway, so let's go to buttons, click event. I've deleted the code, so should you. And let's go through if. So if text box 1.text equals, so once again we're going through this, except it's a little different. Text box 1.text, we're getting the text. Now you're probably like, oh, so the other one's receiving, the other one's changing the text, right? No. Okay, it's a string constant. Let's just make it a string constant. So let's say then you have to hit enter, or else it'll throw an error, and it'll automatically add an end at the end. Anyway, you're getting the text of both of these. Now, of course, this is a string constant, so the text is already received even before the program debugs. So, but text box 1.text equals that. It's getting the text of both things. Now, like I said, the string constant's text is already received. So, but it gets the text, and it's like, okay, does this text equal this text? Yes, it does. It equals that text. Okay, go to work. Do whatever's under then. It doesn't? Oh, do whatever is under else. So that's if, then, else. Now, if it does, then let's not go there. Actually, label 1.text equals by. Else, if it doesn't, label 1.text equals hi. So hi. It says bye. Now, if I say whatever and it doesn't say hi, it says hi. This label text says hi. So, this if, then, and else can be used for very advanced purposes, and they can contain multiple lines of code. Now, another thing in this is else if. So let's say else if text box 1.text equals by, then label 1.text equals hi. Now else, so now you can say else again. Now remember this. Many people think, oh, this is just a new if. It's it's just a new if. No, it isn't. It's not a new if because it has to be in the case that this does not match, but this does. So now in this case it'd be impossible, but some cases it'd be possible that they both match. Now anyway, so else if checkbox 1 text equals by, then so if text box 1's text is by, then label 1's text will become high. If text box 1 that text box 1's text is neither high nor by, then it will throw the else thing, whatever under else. So let's say label 1 dot, actually, you know what, let's say end, and it will just end the program. That's a new term, you should know that, but it'll just basically end the program. That's what it'll do. Now so now you can go to like any text, so let's say hi, my first button, click it. It ends because I didn't put an exclamation point, and so it wasn't hi exclamation point or by exclamation point, so it ended. I actually didn't mean to do that, but so my first button, bye, hi, goodbye, bye too, whoops, bye. Okay, so it ends, and that's pretty much it for the if then else, which also means it's the end of this very quick tutorial, at least compared to my other ones. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe. See my website, which is in the credits. Personal help, email me. Email also in the credits. But yeah, rate and comment the video. Want to know your opinion. Subscribe to see more videos when they come out. So I will see you next video. Next tutorial, same thing, which on that tutorial will be covering my settings, which of course at this time you probably don't know what they are, but nevertheless I will teach you them. So see